Hi everyone, welcome to Finsight. On this channel, I'll be posting content on personal finance, entrepreneurship, investing, and a lot of other stuff. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Hi guys, my name is Amrit. I'm a 19-year-old college-going student. I'm pursuing a bachelor's in commerce degree focused in finance and accounting. You guys might be judging my credibility now and wondering who am I to tell you all about finance and business. Well, I keep a lot of interest in all these areas. I have been very much curious about and have always been fascinated by the different concepts and ideologies about finance, business and investing. I follow a lot of successful people in different domains. I read about them, I watch their videos, I listen to their podcasts, I read a lot of books, and I realized something which few of you might have also noticed, that all these people share a lot in common. There are some tiny little things which don't really seem to be of much significance on the surface, but when actually implemented, create a massive impact in one's life and completely change the course of their life. And I felt a lot of young people essentially are missing out on all of this knowledge and wisdom. So I decided to build a community wherein I'll be sharing my views and what I learned from different podcasts, videos and books with all of you people. So if you are someone in their teens or 20s and you have similar interests, you want to plan your finances from an early age, you want to start up someday, you want to get into investing and play the long game, then do consider subscribing to this channel. Also, if you think this might help someone that you know of and I might be able to add some value to their life, then share this channel with them. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep crushing it.